Well, hello everybody. It's Amy Frillici with the Gathering Inkspiration Stamp Studio, and today I want to tell you about an awesome class to go that I'm offering this month. This class is called the Picture Perfect Birthday Class to Go. And let's see, it features the Picture Perfect Birthday stamp set. You can see I'm all about the font. This is just so fun, kind of that, I don't know, kind of bold font, and then paired with the more cursive font is just so cute in these stamps here. And then as well, some other fun bold images in this stamp set. So this stamp set was the inspiration for the projects in this class to go. And then as well, we have the Picture Perfect Party designer series paper stack. So can you see, oh my gosh, I mean, you could like even cut out the bows and use them, you know, on a project, which I think would be so fun. So can you see lots of like really big bold images and then some smaller, more geometric images? These are actually photographic images. So they basically put a pack of balloons on a table or something and then took a picture of them and then made paper out of it. So isn't that so fun? Can you guys see? Oh my gosh, these are so cute too. So you're gonna love, I mean, this paper, oh yummy, those cookies make me hungry. You're gonna love this paper pack. We're gonna use a little bit of it on the projects that you are making in this to-go kit, and then you'll have the whole rest of the pack of the paper to do whatever you would like. So awesome pack of designer series paper. What else do I want to tell you? This class comes in 4 different options. Option number 1 is the full class to go kit, which again, you will get actually, let me back up. It is $43 for option number 1. You get the Picture Perfect Birthday stamp set. You get the full pack of the Picture Party Designer Series paper, and then you get all 8 make and takes. We're actually going to make 2 of each of these cards. So I'm going to cut and score and punch and die cut anything that needs to happen like that. I'll get them all organized in individual cello bags. You also get the full PDF tutorial that tells you step by step how to put each of the cards together. I have included a registration link. You have to email me for that registration link, and then you can order that option number 1. Option number 2 is if you already have the Picture Perfect Birthday stamp set. So only order option number 2 if you already have the stamp set. If you don't, then you won't be able to complete your projects. Option number 2 is $29. So it does not include this stamp set, but it does include this Picture Perfect Party Designer Series paper stack, as well as 8 make and takes, again, 2 of each of them, along with the PDF tutorial. Option number 3 is if you don't want anything sent to you in the mail, you just want the PDF tutorial. You have your own stamp set, you have your own designer series paper, you have all the product to make these cards. You just want the step-by-step how to do that. That option is $15. And again, all of these registration links are right here in the details of the YouTube video, and then they're also on my blog at gatheringinkspiration.com. The 4th option is for my downline, people that are in the Inkspired Stampers group. You can purchase this option to get the make and takes as well as the PDF tutorial for just $12. So that's obviously a significant savings. You are going to go ahead and buy your own stamp set and designer series paper, because I want you to put that order in under your own ID number. I'll still send you everything else that you need to make the projects. And if you have any interest in joining my team, make sure you check out, I put a link there too about purchasing the starter kit and all of the benefits of being a part of my team. So check that out also. Let's see what else. Registration closes on January 26th. Now it takes about a week to 10 days for me to get this product from Stampin' Up, because I don't have this stockpiled or inventoried here at my house. So I have to get everything ordered, and then I'll have it all cut and prepped. As soon as I get everything, you know, all the stamp sets and designer series paper, as soon as I get that in, I'll get everything shipped right out to you. So expected shipping dates are no later than February 7th. So let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to get you signed up for this to-go kit. These kits are the cards are so much fun. And actually, let me show you real quick the actual cards that we are going to make. Okay, so you can see that's one of the cards. We're going to make 2 of that one. We're going to make 2 of that guy. We're going to make 2 of that guy. And then we're going to make 2 of that guy. So just awesome birthday cards right there for us. So again, let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to get you signed up, and I hope you were inspired today. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.